president has ginned up his low-cost housing program for indigent Filipinos with today's latest distribution to fortunate beneficiaries of housing units with a rock-bottom mortgage of 2,000 pesos monthly. Then he inspected the manufacturing of precast home units made of prefab materials in Taytay, which augurs even much better for his national housing program, as we hear the details again from our Clazel Pardilia.
Owning a home for many Filipino families remains a dream that is very difficult to achieve. For Robert, a breadwinner and single father, it even once felt nearly impossible.
Especially sa mga minimum wage earner po na katulad ko at mas marami pang Pilipino, hindi po sapat yung kita para makapag-avail po tayo ng lupa o ng bahay man. Dahil sa liit ng sahod,
4 years, Robert and his family were just sharing space with relatives. Today, they hold keys to a home they can call their own. Robert is among the beneficiaries of the expanded Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program of the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development, or DZUD, with financing support from Pag-ibig. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the ceremonial turnover of house keys to beneficiaries.
for only 2,000 plus po na monthly amortization, ayan, magkakaroon ka na po ng bahay at lupa na katulad po ngayon.
Housing units were awarded to beneficiaries from Palayan, Nueva Ecija, San Mateo, Rizal, Caloocan City, Imus, Cavite, San Fernando, Pampanga, and Mamburao Occidental, Mindoro.
Sila po ang mga kinatawan ng mga pamilyang natulungan natin na makamit ang pangarap na panatag sa lupang tinitirahan at bagong pag-asa sa bagong tahanan. Naway alagaan ninyo ang inyong mga bahay at punan nito ng maraming magagandang alala kasama ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay.
From 2022 to January 2026, the government says 423,000 affordable and decent housing units have been delivered. To speed up construction, President Marcos inspected the mega-wide precast technology plant in Taytay, Rizal. Inside the facility is the production of walls, posts, and other structural components in a controlled environment, then transported to project sites for assembly. The system minimizes weather-related delays and allows faster build times. The facility is expected to produce up to 7,000 units within 2 years.
Layunin natin na ang bawat Pilipino ay magkaroon ng bahay na ligtas, na disente at abot kaya. Gagawin po namin ang lahat ng aming kakayahan upang hindi lamang itong plantang itong nakikita ninyo ngayon, kung hindi madagdagan pa at maparami pa upang mapabilis ang konstruksyon at maparami ang aming may bibigay na tahanan.
The Pag-ibig Fund is set to allocate 10 billion pesos to support the program, while also offering loan facilities to make home ownership more accessible.
Sinusuportahan namin ang mga proyektong tulad nito upang mapabilis ang pagpapatayo, mas maging efficient ang konstruksyon, at makapaghatid ng premium at dekalidad na pabahay na mura at abot kaya.
Para sa ating mga informal settler families, unti-unti na pong nararamdaman sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa ang benepisyo ng Enhanced Community Mortgage Program. Kasama na rin po para sa mga informal settler families, nakikinabang na rin po sila sa presidential proclamations. Nasilimulan na rin natin ang ating mga proyekto para sa incremental at housing program.
Certificates of Land Award were also distributed as part of the 7th anniversary of DZUD. For Angela Baca, a mother of 1-year-old child, this is more than just a government initiative. It is a security and peace of mind.
Mababawasan yung isipin ko na paano siya banda doon kapag wala na ako. Yun. So, ayun, at least meron na akong isa na alam kong pwedeng mapasa kanya basta mabayaran ko ng ayos at mabayaran ko ng buo. Ayun. Kaya malaking tulong talaga siya.
Clazel Pardilia from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.